Good evening, sir. So let's start our ceremony. Okay. Glowing was our inception, shining is our completion. Ladies and gentlemen, faculties and audience, completion does not always mean ending. Completion is a closure to something that has been done extraordinarily in the past. Completion is the promise of learning from mistakes. Completion is a chance to come up with better and stronger thing next time. Completion is everything that keeps us moving. Teachers and audience, I thank you all for being a crucial part of our beautiful Sanganan 2K21 journey. I, Harshita Divedi, student from MSc in Computer Science, Semester 3, Department of Computer Science, Banaras Hindu University, welcomes you all to the closing ceremony of Sanganan 2K21. It's just a completion of season 4. In future, we will be there for you to offer a lot more. As you know, over a period of these 2 days, we have successfully executed a total of 6 events. Let me summarize the details of each of the 6 events conducted by us till now. Just after the inaugural ceremony, the first event that was organized by us was TechFest, a guest lecture by Dr. Puneet Misra sir. He is assistant professor in University of Lucknow. The event was conducted over WebEx events. He shared with us the historical ideas of artificial intelligence. He also shared the limits and constraints of artificial intelligence and a way to make those constraints beneficial to us. Followed by TechCorate, we organized Tech Hunch, the quiz, over Hacker Earth platform, providing secure means of conduction of quiz. The quiz had 50 questions of 4 marks each and covered various topics of computer science and applications. Just after Tech Hunch, we organized Codos, the coding contest. It was also conducted through Hacker platform. There were 4 questions of all possible difficulty levels. After the coding contest, Graphic X, the logo making contest took place, in which the designers were supposed to come up with a logo on on development financial institution DFI. The details and descriptions were provided to them, and they had to come up with a logo in 1 hour. This event marked the end of day 1 of Sanganan 2K21. With confidence by the successful conduction of events on day 1 and determination for the events to be held on day 2. We entered the second day of Sanganan 2K21 with Architect, the front-end web development contest, where we provided the details and descriptions to the participants, and they were supposed to come up with the landing page of our Sanganan website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Followed by that, we had another guest lecture under the name of event TechCorate done on WebEx events, which was taken by Mr. Sohit Sharma sir. He is subject matter expert in research and development, Nokia, Bangalore. He shared with us the insights of telecommunication industry, providing detailed description on 4G technologies, internet services, application of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and databases in telecommunication. He also introduced to us with 5G technology and the future that this technology holds. As the last contest, we organized Armored Geek, a Battlegrounds Mobile India BGMI contest to cheer up our participants in 3 consecutive rounds. Finally, we are here gathered to celebrate the joy of coding, the joy of programming, the cheer of our successful execution of all the events that I have mentioned so far. Faculties and audience, In our inauguration ceremony, our head of department, sir, had shared his thoughts with us, addressing the participants on the day of inauguration. He mentioned that he would be happy to join us in the closing ceremony. And being a man of his words, we have here our head of department, Professor Vivek Kumar Singh, sir, an expert in natural language processing and various other domains of artificial intelligence. His support to the TechFest and to the entire team of Sanganan was remarkable. Sanganan 2K21 was possible because of him. Please share your thoughts with us. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Harshita. I'm sorry, there's some internet connection issue at home, so I'm just trying to connect with the tablet. So I'm so happy to know that you have successfully concluded the event for 2 days, and it was so nice to interact with everyone yesterday when this event was inaugurated. And I'm pretty sure you all had wonderful events. I could see the list of events that was there, and I could only say that if I would have been a student, I would have definitely participated in at least some of these events because they look so interesting and exciting. And and I am not sure whether you have announced the prizes so far or the winners so far or not. So that is one thing that probably you'll be doing. And but nevertheless, who is going to win and who is going to lose doesn't matter. What is most important is that one should participate because participation gives you so much. Participation gives you fun, and participation makes you feel contented and happy in a way that you participated in an event of this kind. And with that kind of participation, there comes a lot of experience which could be very useful when you participate in different national events like Smart India Hackathon and so on. So it is very important that people participate, and I'm pretty sure that everybody who participated, they enjoyed it. I could recall my own time as a student when we used to we really love to be participant in this kind of events. And I congratulate all the organizers, the whole team, for successfully conducting it. And my best wishes to all the participants, all the winners, everyone, to the organizing team. Thank you, Harshita. Over to you.
Thank you so much, sir, once again. In our journey of Sanganan, it has certainly become a tradition that every year in the closing ceremony, Dr. Gaurav Bharava, sir, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Banaras Hindu University, having brilliance in cloud computing, Internet of Things, fog computing, and blockchain, addresses the participants. His dedication is an inspiration to all of us. We would like to continue the tradition this year as well, and therefore I would request Dr. Gaurav Bharava, sir, to address all the participants hereby. Over to you, sir. Yes, sir, you are.
Thank you. Okay, good evening, everyone. I believe that all of you have well done through 2 days these technical events, and I hope that all of you have enjoyed very much. And I have been informed that participants belongs to many different colleges for the country, and I have been also informed that all of you have actively participated. So I can conclude that the purpose of the event has been completely accomplished, right? And one thing I used to say always that these technical events, I mean, you will participate in these technical events, you will get the flavor of what a programmer do, right? So what a programmer does in different type technical events, how they survive the pressure, how in a limited time you have to complete some events, right? You have to write a program. So many you experience many things in. I hope you will learn a lot of things and you will use these learning in your life. And I would like to say one thing as a programmer, you never give up. So I hope you have learned this this unique characteristic of programmer in this event as well, and it will be helpful in your whole life. And I just want to tell you again, I will repeat that what Vivek sir told today and what Anshul sir told in the inauguration session, that you should participate in these technical events activities. Okay, so it will always encourage you achieve something in life. It will give you you will get motivated. You will feel motivated. So I would like to pay my deep respect to all the participants for your positive participation. And at the end, I would like to congratulate all the team of the organizing committee, all the members of this organizing. I used to say that you always do the thankless job. Okay? So each time, each year you perform, and each year you are continuing with this effort. I hope that next time we will physically meet. So we will be. I think everyone will agree that when we organize such events in physically, so we will get more experience. I hope next time we will not miss this. Thank you so much for inviting me. And again, my best wishes to all of you. Thank you.
Thanks a lot to you too, sir. Lastly, I would like to call upon Dr. S Suresh, sir, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Banaras Hindu University, a specialist in big data analytics, machine learning, and theoretical computer science. He is very passionate towards his teaching. And sir, please share your thoughts with us. Over to you, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are.
Good evening to all. Actually, one of the most thing I like is events or functions and celebrating something. So, other than learning some technical things, in such events, you can learn lot of things. Okay, so, for example, like you are trying for some job, what company expects from you? So, maybe attitude, knowledge about the subjects, and then confidence, how you face this particular problem or some comes out managing that, and time management, then application of knowledge for development of or solving some solution, then communication skill. So these are the some of the things, okay, usually company expect. Other than learning some technical things, maybe some programming tricks, technique, other than this, participating or organizing such event, you can learn all these things and you will get good experience of. So if you see most of the successful persons in their career, they may be part of organizing such event or may participated in many such events, most of the people. So that give confidence, attitude, good attitude, and can get detailed knowledge and communication skill. Okay, so these are the main thing. In addition to knowledge, many people you can see those who are actively involved in such activities, they may not score good GPA, but they may get placed at par with some rank holders. Okay, so because we have to inspire in 5-10 minutes in interview, because thousands of people are coming, so how you will market yourself? Okay, that is a big thing. Actually, when I was a cultural secretary in my department at the time of MBA, so that I was elected as cultural secretary. That gives a lot of advantages in my career. Because of that, I become very close to my head of the department. Okay, now he means he's a directorate of college education. So I have connection with various people who are higher official in governments, and almost I got friends with most of my seniors because organizing this event I contacted many times, and at the same time, so my own class students they made me to cry sometimes They are not cooperated properly for doing this. And sometimes what I was very happy that what whole night all my friends are what we are working together and making something, okay? So that you will get some kind of satisfaction and more confidence you will get it, so that you can face a real life challenge. Okay. So I want to highlight this one. You just forget about the technical knowledge you are gaining. So you have to go and participate in various events. So not only in our university, almost every university. Usually we form a team, and in Chennai, if you any cultural or technical event, if you tell my college name, then everybody, okay, this college is perform well. Okay, before starting the game, so some good impression will come and we can easily win. Okay, that is the main thing. So what we have to do, which what I suggest you, form a good team and you can go in, and because there are a lot of popular institutions like IITs, NITs, they are conducting various events. You can go and participate, you can explore and what things are going, and you can use your friends circle, okay, everything. So that definitely will give the advantage to the personal life also and for academic career. So this is the thing I want to convey to the participants. And in addition to that, I request all of you to start some cultural events also. Okay, from the possible from this year or next year. Okay, so that will give more enjoyable moments, and you can cherish your memories in your lifelong time. Because after some time, if you passing out, then you have to face a lot of other challenges, and everything will be a lifelong journey. But whatever memory you are gathering during this college campus, that will be the most rememberable one in entire life. So I congratulate all the participants, organizers. Okay, whether it may be winner or loser, that is not a problem. Participation is the very important. Okay. So we may plan some cultural events also, and we will try to add more events in the next Sanganan. So maybe from 6 to 10, 20, so that we can make it a big one, and we will attract the more people. So I thank all the participants who are participated in this event, especially all the organizers who worked behind this. Thank you all. Congrats once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Your suggestion was really remarkable. We usually ignore such things under academic pressure. We'll keep this in mind. We will come up with more events in the next year, and we will try to come up with a cultural fest of our department in this or the upcoming year. We will try our best. Faculties and audiences, we have a special video message from our alumnus, Dr. Sudhakar Singh sir, who is currently an assistant professor at Allahabad University. He pursued his MCA degree from the Department of Computer Science BHU in the year 2007 to 2010, and also did his PhD on Big Data during the year 2012 to 2016 in the department only. Here is the video message from his side.
Hello students and juniors. I am very happy that the tradition is continued and Department of Computer Science BHU is organizing Sanganan this year too. It's my privilege that I did my master's and PhD from this department. You are organizing this event on the Programmers Day. So for those who don't know, let me tell you that Programmers Day is celebrated on 256th day of each year. 256, which is 2 the power 8. That is the distinct values represented by the basic unit of memory, byte. I'm also very happy that you are inviting messages from your alumnus who will tell you actual experience of programming. On programmers and programming, I would like to share you one quote which is from series Cubicles. I know most of you have seen it. So the quote is somewhat like, this world is not run by politicians. This world is run by the programmers sitting and working in their cubicles. So, guys, organizing such kind of events are work like boosters and break the monotonicity in learning. These are the actual example of edutainment and learn while fun. So, guys, with these words, I would like to thank you for inviting me for my opinions. And finally, my best wishes for this event. I wish a very good luck and grand success for this event. Thank you.
Such a beautiful message it was. Thanks a lot, sir. Sanganan 2K21 was a collaborative effort, an effort by organizing team, an effort by our seniors, an effort by our teachers, and an effort by all our participants. This collaborative effort led to the completion of our event effortlessly. The dedication, hard work, and active participation was beyond expectation. Faculties and students, we can't just stay put on the road of life, and thus we have to move on to become our better self. The river of Sanganan will keep flowing, and Sanganan will be back next year to you in an updated and upgraded form with new possibilities, new responsibilities, a new set of organizers, and a whole new level of zeal. Thank you everyone for being a part of this journey. Sanganan 2K21 is now a history, and our names are marked in it with golden letters. Thank you all once again. We will announce the results over social media and on your mails. We will also announce the prize distribution along with it on 18th September 2021. Thank you for participation. We will meet again in the upcoming year. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep coding. Thank you. A special thanks to all our teachers as well, especially our head sir, Dr. Professor Vivek Kumar Singh sir. And again, thank you to everyone, to all the participants from the bottom of our hearts. We were very happy to have you here. Thanks a lot.